Hello everyone, welcome to Nexora AI. In this video, I will introduce to my project SJC Tirupur AI College Information Assistant. This is an AI powered chatbot developed using retrieval augmented generation or RAG to provide accurate and instant college information presented by B. Ramyadashni. Project overview. This project designed to help students, parents, and visitors quickly access college information through an AI chatbot. Instead of searching multiple web pages, users can simply ask a question and receive an accurate response within seconds. Next, problem statement. Students often spend lot of time searching for information about admission, courses, fees, placements, and campus facilities. This chatbot solves that problem by providing instant and reliable answers through a simple chat interface. Project objective. The main objective of this project is to develop an AI powered college assistant that provides accurate responses, reduce manual inquiries, and offers 24 by 7 access to information, college information. Technologies used. This project is developed using Python, Streamlit, LangChain, ChromaDB, Hugging Face embeddings, and the Grok API. This technology work together to build an efficient and intelligent AI chatbot. System architecture. The chatbot collects information from the college knowledge database. The data is converted into embeddings stored in ChromaDB, retrieved when a asked question, and then processed by the Grok large language model to generate an accurate response. Chatbot workflow. The workflow begins with collecting college data and creating a knowledge base. The information is converted into embeddings stored in the vector database, retrieved based on the user's question, and finally used to generate an intelligent response. Key features. This chatbot provides fast and accurate answers using RAG technologies. It offers college specific information through a simple user friendly interface, making it easy for everyone to access important details. Why these technologies? Each technology has a specific role. Python is used for development, Streamlit for the user interface, LangChain for the RAG pipeline, ChromaDB for semantic search, Hugging Face for embeddings, and Grok for generating fast AI responses. Advantages. The chatbot provides instant, accurate, and reliable information at any time. It improves the user experience, reduces manual inquiries, and makes college information easily through artificial intelligence. Thank you for everyone